Good evening and welcome to Kushi's classes. Once again I am here to present you another video on the same topic, which is sentence. In last video I had explained you the types of sentence on the basis of a structure. Today itself I will continue with the types of sentence on the basis of function. On the basis of function, there are again four types of sentence. The first one is assertive or declarative or statement. The same name of the assertive sentences is declarative or statement. The second is exclamatory. The third one is interrogative. And the fourth one is imperative. Now, I will explain you the types of sentences on the basis of function one by one. The first one is assertive, declarative or statement. As the name suggests, this is a statement kind of sentence. A statement means a general statement about anything. This has further two subkinds. The number one is affirmative and the number two is negative. Means assertive or declarative or statement kind of sentences has two further subkinds, that is affirmative and negative. If we are giving any statement about anything, our statement may be positive or negative. If our statement is positive, it is affirmative, and if our statement is negative, that is negative sentence. Means once again I am telling, assertive has two further subkinds, affirmative and negative. If our assertive sentence is in positive sense, it is affirmative. If it is in negative sense, then it is negative sentence. Next one is exclamatory. Exclamatory sentences are the sudden expression of our heart. It means sorrow, happiness, exclamation, joy, anything. And the words which show our exclamation are hooray, ouch, wow, etc. So these are exclamatory. Next one is interrogative. Interrogative sentences may be of two types. Either start from WH words or with helping verb. Means interrogative sentence either maybe starts from the WH word like what, whom, etc. Only how is exceptional in WH words, but still it comes in WH category. So all the question words, WH words, interrogative sentences maybe start from WH words or from helping verb, like the sentences, the verbs, helping verbs which are used in sentences. Sometimes we use that helping verb for asking the question, etc. So that helping verb starts with for asking a question, we use that helping verb. So interrogative sentences are of two types, either from WH or helping verb. The last one is imperative. Imperative has a lots of variety in itself, like order, command, request, prohibition. Prohibition means to not to allow to do anything. So order, if we are ordering something, if we are commanding someone, if we are requesting to someone, or if we are prohibiting. Prohibiting kinds of sentences can be start with don't play in the sun, don't talk, don't chatter, don't fight, etc. So these are prohibition kind of sentences, and these all four categories are under imperative sentence. One more type of sentences are there in on the basis of types of functions, that is optative. Optative, the modern grammar has excluded this type of sentence from the types of sentence on the basis of function. It is no more in types of sentences, but I'm just giving you an introduction here of optative sentence. All the blessing and curse type of sentences are optative sentence. If we are blessing someone, if we are cursing someone, it means it falls under the category of optative sentence. Okay, thank you. And please, if you like my video, then just please like and subscribe it. Just press the bell icon on your channel and wait for the new video.